Welcome to ichapps.org, your all-in-one digital platform to host impactful, professional online events, virtual expos across industries. Whether you're in healthcare, technology, education, manufacturing, or real estate, ichapps.org empowers you to connect, engage, and grow in a truly digital world. Our intuitive platform lets you create, manage, and promote events effortlessly. From virtual expos, live webinars, and corporate trainings to product launches and virtual open houses, it's all just a few clicks away. With features like real-time attendee engagement, live chat, polls, post-event analytics, ichapps.org transforms your events into experiences. Pharma and healthcare professionals use ichapps.org to host virtual expos, virtual tours, medical conferences, product demonstrations, CME webinars, and training sessions, enabling instant engagement with doctors, researchers, and healthcare providers anytime, anywhere. Real estate professionals use ichapps.org to host immersive virtual property tours, answer client queries instantly, and close deals from anywhere. Trusted by educators, industry experts, and business leaders worldwide, ichapps.org is more than a platform. It's your digital stage. Looking to amplify your brand? ichapps.org offers exclusive opportunities for strategic partnerships, event sponsorships, and targeted advertising, reaching a highly engaged professional audience. Host, connect, grow. Only on ichapps.org. Ready to take your events to the next level? Let's talk sponsorships and partnerships. Visit ichapps.org. Contact us. Let's build something impactful together.